Sir, for long-term po and budget-friendly pa din, Wigo, Brio, Mirage Hatchback, or Desire? Sige, Mizio 597, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. Rekta na, pagka sinabi mong long-term, as in super duper duper long-term, Honda yan para sa akin. If that's the case, for long-term talaga, Brio would be my choice for that. Sobrang solid lang talaga ng Honda, matibay, indestructible para sa akin si Honda. But medyo ano siya sa features, lacking siya sa features para sa akin, and that's where Toyota Wigo comes in. Hitek sa features talaga pag sinabing Toyota, and long term din. So kumbaga, ganun lang talaga sila ni Honda in terms of patagalan. Silang dalawa talaga ni Honda at si Toyota are my two best options for that. So it's just a matter of do you want more features, kasi yan, Wigo talaga yan para sa akin, and then mas modern din yung feeling sa loob ni Wigo, but mas matibay yung mas good quality si Brio for that. And then Mirage Hatchback from Mitsubishi, fun. I think it will be really fun to drive and own. Kaya lang, ayun, medyo, honestly, medyo pa-obsolete na rin yung kanyang feeling compared kay Wigo or even kay Brio. Ito naman kay Suzuki Desire, I think siya yung pinaka-logical na choice dito sa lahat ng binanggit mo. Kasi the rest is hatchback, ito si Desire is sedan. So medyo ano rin siya, para sa akin, next level siya in terms of the categories of the mga sasakyan, no? So sedan, okay na okay, decente, medyo a little bit matured, honestly. And then, yun, compartment space, I know, panalo ka dito kay Desire. Desire is also one of my top options before as our first car. Kaya lang, yung bagong version niya, mas gusto ko yung previous na exterior look nun. But the good news is, recently, yung bagong labas na Desire is naka-hybrid na po siya, no? So, fuel savings, kaya nga, siya talaga yung pinaka-wise siguro sa lahat ng to. But, if a factor in din kasi natin yung happiness natin sa looks. So, I don't know with you, iba-iba naman tayo. Right now, on my mind, I would like Brio siguro if ako yung papipiliin. Set upan natin, i-build natin. Iba rin yung angas ng Honda. Second, siguro sa mind ko si Wigo. Set upan din natin. Kulay pula siguro na Wigo, black rims. It would really look good, like a GR Yaris na build. Ayun, sana nakatulong. Check my YouTube channel, subscribe, follow for more.